Hey, it's Ellie, your favorite travelpreneur, and I have to ask, how many hours a day do you actually spend on your phone? Do you know? Have you ever looked and checked to see how many hours you're just scrolling on every app? You're just sending things to people and laughing and finding memes, whether relatable or not, and just in your group chat, just sending things back and forth. I'm asking you this because I know I do it a lot, and sometimes by accident. I don't even realize how many videos I've sent to my sisters and my friends, like, hey guys, this is hilarious. I think this is something you've been talking about. I think this might be good for you. I think you should know this information. I think this is something you can use. I think you should get this, right? I'm just sending all types of videos, messages, images all day long. And the people that I send it to respond to it, right? They either get the things that they need, they are like, oh my God, I needed this, I've been looking for this. And if that's you, you're the plug, right? You've been putting people on every day of your life and you don't even realize it, right? You don't even realize it. And it just happens just like that. And at the end of the day, you're like marketing, you're marketing to other people to purchase the things, to buy into stuff, to watch a video, right? You're pitching it like, oh, this is so funny, you should watch it. Oh, this will make you feel better, right? This will look good on you, right? We do it subconsciously, but that's the world that we live in now, right? Everything's on our phones, everything is on the internet, and we're just getting so much download, so much information at a rapid speed that we don't even realize that we market to each other, that we share information, that we're network marketing day in and day out, whether you're getting paid or not. But the crazy thing is, you can get paid for that, right? I want you to think about the last time you sent something to someone and they made a purchase because of it, right? They went and checked out that new restaurant. They went and bought that drink that you said was good, right? They went and stayed at the same hotel you stayed at. They decided to try out that new airline because you flew it, right? I'm guilty of that. Oh, did you fly them? Oh, it wasn't good. Okay, not doing it. I'll pay extra and I'll fly Delta. Okay, so we've all been there, we've all done it, but now you can get paid for it. And I want you to pay close attention, right? Before you say no, before you're like, I don't know, just check this out.
Imagine if Amazon allowed you to become an independent distributor and paid out 40% of its revenue to that distributor group. All you had to do as a distributor was recommend a product. And if a person bought it on Amazon, Amazon would take care of all the logistics and you'd get paid for bringing the customer. Now imagine you got paid for every purchase that customer made for the rest of their lives. Well, Amazon doesn't offer this option, but network marketing companies do.
85% of all buying decisions in our society are made as a result of word of mouth or reputation.
We're recommending things to each other all the time. You know, who's your dentist? Who's your doctor? Who's your lawyer? What detergent, are you using? What legal system are you using? What product are you using? We're talking to each other about the things that we love anyway.
When you go into a big box retailer, you're lucky if the clerk looks you in the eye, much less gives you any detailed or accurate information about what you're purchasing. So of course, this personal information, this education coming from a friend, a neighbor, a relative, or even a stranger, but one who has experience with the product is extraordinarily valuable.
Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you thought of the information. So put it in the comments below because I'm curious. But my second question for you is, when was the last time you've actually made a purchase from an infomercial? From TV commercials, radio commercials? I want to know because these days we really don't watch TV like that. Cable TV exists, but I have cable TV. Don't watch it. Don't watch it. And I barely watch the streaming, but if I do, I don't want to see commercials. And that's what that premium service is, to avoid commercials, because you don't want to be interrupted. You want to binge right through. And that's what a lot of us do, right? So we don't even have access to advertisement and commercials and being pitched the way things used to be back then, right? Nowadays, if you really notice, at least for me, when I go on TikTok, everybody's selling something. People that look like you and me, everyday people, just selling things. And I'm like, is this that late night infomercial? Is that what's happening? We've modernized it. But that's the thing, it's because people are buying from people. We're purchasing things and making decisions on things via word of mouth, because word of mouth is powerful. So imagine, I want you to really think, how many times have you told someone to try out a new spot, to buy something, you shared your experience, you shared the new product that you got, and everyone's like, you know what, I'm gonna go try it, I'm gonna go out and do it, right? It's word of mouth. And that is why a lot of companies are using everyday people to sell items now, because that's what's working now. That's what's motivating people to make that purchase. And you can do the same because you're already doing it, but it's time to get paid for it, guys. It's time to get paid for it. And this is an example of how you can do that. Compensation, right? Something that doesn't happen a lot. We share about a lot of things, people take advantage and do the things, right? Buy into the things that we share, try the things we tell them about, visit the places we tell them to go or to see. And we don't get paid for it, but here's an opportunity for you to get paid for it. Every time you let someone know, hey, this is a way that you can make some extra money, you can get paid, right? You can get $50 for every person that you tell and decides to utilize this information and platform to make money. But collectively, you can also make money together, okay? So if you have 3 people that you brought in, you're gonna make the 50 per person, which is 150 plus an extra $100 a month, right? With 20 people, you're gonna make 50 per person plus $500 a month, right? That $50 is a one-time payment. For 40 people, that's extra $900 a month, right? 80 people, that's an extra $1,500 a month. Let's drop down some more, okay? Extra 400 people total, sorry. That's $5,000 a month. This goes all the way down to $1 million a month, right? You see those zeros? Yep, count it. You're seeing it correctly. So all you're doing is sharing information, right? Sharing information and giving people the opportunity to take advantage of this platform that's going to teach them everything they need to know about making extra money. Okay, there's courses here, different recordings, allowing them to learn about stock options, right? How to find your broker, how to set up your account, how to get in and out of a trade, right? Here's some stock option videos on intro to stock options, so you know what you're looking for, you understand, right? You're going to be able to watch these videos, learn from these educators, get on live calls with them, and be able to ask them questions. So if you get on and you're like, hey, I'm actually looking at this stock, I'm looking at Apple stock, and I want to get in, or this is where I got in, and I have some questions, right? Therefore, they can answer it and help you navigate your trades, navigate what you're looking at, help you understand what you're looking at, so that you can be able to make not just a little bit money, but a little bit more money, a lot of it more, right? Because the goal here is to make extra income. So these are also the different information regarding to the AI technology, right, that we talk about that are giving out trades. They also have access in different languages, as you can see, right? There's here binary options, you have Forex trading, you also have crypto, right? The Crypto Academy, you're gonna be learning about what crypto is, how to send and store crypto, different things about your wallet. This is the course for the stock options. And of course, you have the trading there as well. This is everything you need to succeed, to be able to learn the information you need to know how to do it on your own. For those of you, so here's a quick example of how you can also be making extra money, right? The market's going to be going up and down, up and down, up and down. You're going to understand how to get in and out of trades. When's the best time to take a trade? When's the best time to sit out and wait? So all you're doing is learning about opportune time to get into the market, right? With something like options right here, right? Binary options, you just want to make sure that if you're getting in a sell, the market stays below your entry. And if you're getting in a buy, you stay above where you entered. That is all that we're doing. So right now I was able to assess, okay, the market's going to be coming down selling. And so I want to enter for the lower, right? Enter for sell. So I click the red button. I'm in this trade for just a minute. And as you can see, we're about to clear. So whatever amount you decide to wager, you're putting here, your time is here, right? I put 1 minute, I wagered $50, and then it gives you your payout, right? So it all depends on the percentage. It's all going to vary and change. But as you can see, so simple, right? We just closed and cleared out that trade and we made that profit. You can see it right there on your screen. That's exactly what you're going to be learning in the academy. It's literally that simple, right? It's literally that simple. For those of you who don't have time or access, no worries, right? You have access to private group chats that are going to be sending out trade ideas and giving you the opportunity to copy those trades. And like I said, you're going to have access to that live education from some of the top traders out there, okay, in every field. You have Crypto Picasso, okay? Enough said. You should know who he is if you're into crypto, right? You have Jessica, an amazing trader when it comes to stocks, right? And so many amazing other traders that are on this platform that are continuously being added and are there presently helping you understand how to navigate and how to profit. So for those of you who are interested in taking advantage of that, right, you have the opportunity to just use the platform and make money that way. And for those of you who want to make some more or by accident, because it does happen by accident, right? You're going to share it with those 5 individuals that you share everything with, and they're going to see you making money. They're going to see it working, and they're going to want to try it out too. And so you're going to be able to make money on the compensation side for just simply sharing what you're doing regardless. Okay, so for those of you ready to get started and get access, make sure to go to my description or go to the below and click the link to get access, right? If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me. We can get on a quick discovery call. I can answer any questions that you may have. That link is below as well. And if you like what you heard, I'd appreciate it if you'd like, make sure to subscribe so you can get access to more information and everything that's coming up. And for those of you who decide to take advantage of this opportunity, I will hear from you shortly too. I'll see you hopefully in my next video. Thank you all, and I'll see you.